Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our video for the best fire pit accessories for your backyard. Watch till the end to find out our best recommendation from the list. Our list begins with the following. Holy Grill Fire Pit Mat. The Holy Grill Fire Pit Mat is your must-have accessory, especially if you are an elevated stove owner. The 48-inch diameter fiberglass mat is eco-friendly and non-toxic as it is coated with food-grade silicone, enhancing safety for its users. The mat has a high heat resistance of about 1000 F, making it ideal for bonfires, propane stoves, charcoal grills, and chimenea. The mat is durable, easy to care, and portable. To use, just simply lay the mat under your fire pit, and the pit should be raised at least 6 or 12 inches for small and large pits, respectively. Feed Garden Fireplace Poker and Tongs. A single purchase of the two-piece Feed Garden Fire Poker set gives you a 32-inch fireplace poker with a removable design to adjust the length and a 26-inch pair of tongs that can open up to 150 degrees, allowing you to grab wide-sized combustibles. Both fireplace accessories are made of solid iron with a rust-proof finish, guaranteeing durability and aesthetics. The pieces are hardly deformed and can withstand very high temperatures due to the iron. Their total weight amounts to 3 pounds, making them easily movable and flexible while in use. The poker and tong combination gives the set multiple applications and can be used with backyard fire pits, indoor fireplaces, wood stoves, and coal grills. The pieces are easily assembled and do not require any special skills. Juvale Firewood Rack. The Juvale Firewood Rack is among the most multifunctional fireplace accessories in its functional category. The rack comes with a fireplace broom, a pair of tongs, and a shovel. These items give the fireplace accessory set multifunctionality, making it applicable indoors and outdoors. Juvale guarantees durability for their firewood rack set by ensuring each item is made using heavy-duty rolled iron. This material makes the pieces strong and heightens their resistance to high temperatures. The wood rack set comes with a 30-day return policy. Which is better? The Juvale Firewood Rack outsmarts its peer fireplace accessories by being multifunctional. The set works well indoors and outdoors, ensuring an epic fireplace experience. The rack's space-saving abilities distinguish it from other accessories. Thanks for watching.